law don't come out. Oh. So if you know, say you did Germany as from January, may you share this video because the information where they bring come out now, una need to hear them. So if you did Germany, share this video. I go put the video now on a listing because it go favor una. Una will not get document. Germany don't change law now. January they want share document. So mona listen to this video. Mona not talk so una no hear am. I say make I tell you now. Una go listen. I'm gonna you listen to this video now. I'm gonna help me share this video. Share this video so that you go help 1 or 2 people we don't say for this country. Bye.
No, they say it's from January 9 won't start. So you understand? So now it be you still there. Tamame obviase. Obviase no. Obviase obviously no wasieva giazuo. So I don't know. The way when me read that understand and I not say bone, you know the I not be person I'll tell you say now so it be. So everybody today here go have to Google it. I know some people don't Google that. We have to call you. I forget my phone number. Can somebody write my phone number there so I can pin the phone number? So more will gather discuss this new law. The way I read it for Google and I screenshot so that I go read that out to people. Mommy Gloria, good evening. I've been saying that to you yesterday night. So, Mommy Gloria, I know this is not. You understand? Oh, me I block her. Ovia zeno. See, I va gazu over. We was here. Ovia zeno of your jiwa. No, I block here. They all they block those kind of people because in my man a thief, where papa na wish. Live and dear. Live and dear. Live and dear. Maybe they hear the thing they pay now. Now she come my house, now she go pack out. He or she now go pack out. May pack out of my life. No matter. Mommy Gloria, you're welcome. Mr. Sunday, you're welcome. Mommy Joy, you're welcome. Mommy Gloria, you are welcome. So, now so the law be. So, can somebody write my phone number so I pin it there? More will talk about. Good evening. Hey, see my bros, yo. Bros, I didn't like come join me here. May I call you safe? January 1st, exactly, January 1st. They are going to be giving people documents, but condition follow on. Condition follow on, which I'm going to read for everybody, you know. Condition follow on. Which you are going to read for everything. Bro, speak my corner. Hey, bro's not greeting my call. So let me go for the thing. Then you'll see can explain how you understand your own. So this one are this screenshots now. You can see it there. Oh, Mommy Gloria, thank you, ma. I screenshot it there. They said in their coalition agreement, 3 parties also promised to create permanent rights of residents for law-abiding foreigners who have been living in Germany for years without legal status. Show now they get her now. They want anyone who has been living in Germany for 5 years by January 1st, 2022, who has not committed any criminal offense. Did you hear that? Any criminal offense, they not be free of charge. Jimo, you are welcome. Mr. Jimo, you are welcome. No criminal offense. So, you know, German, when they won't give you something, it's not coming out for free. There must be a condition. So, who has not committed any criminal offense and who is committed to abide by the free democratic orders of the country to be able to obtain a 1-year resident permit on a probationary basis. Okay, yes, it is true. Mommy Pretty, you are welcome. Most people commit back home everywhere they go. I believe that for those of you is listening to the... No be waiting at the talk now. You see Anna. You see Anna. Obviously. Oh God. Go to school, you know, when you say na fake room or yours now. How you tell no say they say na 1 year. I say I no go block you. You must leave my platform. Give me view. This is, I will never block you. Be giving me view. Your view can't. I use your view to put money for pockets. We obviously. You are here adding to my view. You are here adding to my comments. So this way, they could move on to fulfilling further requirements for a permanent right to stay in the country. In particularly by securing legal employment. And being issued legal papers. We abolishing effective works bans for people already living in Germany. That is the law. Keep quiet, Google, and you now the same. Oh, I read the news as well. You read the news as well. So, this one, another thing for our people. No, if you not like what she they talk, get jare, leave her, may they give me view, more than leave her. About it, me, I did not know. Now, my van send me the TCI Bonnie talk about it, you know. You know, say, this is my small platform. I have to bring the news out. See, my sister, don't they hear hey, bless you, you're welcome, my love. Fire up for me. Because now we obviously, go back, go worry. Fake account. So, my people, as it be so, best way don't stay 5 years. 5 years. If you get any other one when you want to join, you can also call in. There is my phone number on the screen. You can also call in. Tell us more to eat. More to eat. Because the one thing when they talk now, one condition when I see now be say, you must be criminal free. Don't be, not get criminal case. You never get criminal case. Those of us will be so don't get criminal case for the country. You understand? It not go good for us. It not go favor us. And most of us for this country, you know, see the reason why they talk say, avoid criminal case. There are certain things you will be denied in Germany. When you get criminal case, there are certain things you will be denied in Germany. So when you don't have criminal case, things roads they open for person where for this countryside. I don't dey 6 years, I dey work for 5 years and I get private, but I get extra for 80 days, but I don't pay. Now hope not be criminal record. I just ask. Normally not, because you pay. Hey, he said that bros they talk about that my bros, Mr. Perfect. He say, bros, I they call you, you know they pick my call. Bros for biz do get now. I they call her, you know they pick my call. When it comes to loan, I did. Yeah, criminal case. By criminal case, I understand, say, by criminal case, I understand, say, when you do something, bros, good evening. Are you there like with me? Because I say, bros, you right me. No, bros. May I put you for a call, last speaker? Oh, okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, make the time be go small. Okay. Okay. Yes. I beg, let me see enlighten us small now. May you still tell us how it may be, you know. Okay, make I put her for last speaker now. All right, thank you. Okay, bros want talk about and small with us.
Good evening, my brothers and sisters.
Yes, good evening, bros.
Good evening, yeah. So for the law, for this new law now, we praising a good thing, I be.
Yes.
So the law, I don't already go through. I don't go through them, so we praising a good thing, it be, but always not be to create and be the matter, make it implement and make it work.
I pray so too.
So now when you do the work, so now we will know, say, okay, this thing already be work. But we pray so as the praise and make the put and make the implement.
Yes, yes.
So for the people when I don't go through the law, and I think it's a good thing, even people when never get a document before your family, no one gets it, you will favor everybody.
Yes.